Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this beautiful Father's Day explosion box. It's very unique. I have created the carom board on top using paper quilling strips coins, and when you will open it you will get the beautiful surprise. Yes, I have decorated it with some keys and clock dial, and inside each flap you will get the pocket, and I have added this cup which is made using quilling strip, and I have added here my superhero. So let's get started. For I am taking these white sheets which measure 7 by 21 centimeters. Both the sheets have same measurements. Now I have creased it on 7 and 14 centimeters. So just fold these creases. So here I am creating the base for our explosion box. Similarly I am folding the other flap, and now I am going to stick both the flaps like this. So we can just close the box like this. Now I'm starting with the lid. For this I'm taking this 13.5 by 13.5 centimeter sheets, and from all four sides I have creased on 3 centimeters. So first I'm going to cut all four corners like this. Then just folding all the flaps and sticking the folded part with each other to construct the box shape. So the lid is ready, and now we can easily put it on our explosion box. So the base for explosion box is ready. Now I'm going to decorate my explosion box with some pattern papers. So I have tried to take all the pattern papers related to Father's Day, like manly pattern papers, and I'm using this sheet from Craft Treat. In the same way I have decorated from inside, and also decorated the lid from inside, and in the same way I am decorating it from outside as well. So right now I am sticking the pattern paper only on the walls, side walls of the lid, not on the top. So it's done. Now I'm taking this pattern paper sheet which measures 7 by 5.5 centimeters, and these are the connectors which are made using A4 printed paper, and these two measures 2 by 5.5 centimeters, and this one measures 2 by 7 centimeters. I have just folded these connectors from center, and now I'm going to stick these connectors with my pattern paper piece to create the pocket. So the pocket is ready. Now I'm decorating the top edge using this beautiful border punch design. In the same way, I have already added 3 pockets on 3 sides of our explosion box panel. So I'm just adding my 4th pocket on 4th panel like this. And inside the pocket, I'm going to put this tag. In the same way, I have already put 3 tags on remaining 3 pockets. And now I'm decorating each flap using some die cutouts like wall clock, then keys, lock. So I have few things related to manly decoration. You can add screw cutout or nut cutout or even bat, anything which you like. You can also use hat or mustache, so anything related to father. It's not like that I'm using this, so you have to use this. You can decorate it any way. So this is done. Allow it to dry for some time. Then I'm starting with my carom board. So first I'm making these coins. So my white coin I'm taking 1/4 strip of white color and making one tight coil. For all the coins and striker I have used 2 mm strips. You can also use 3 mm strip. So the tight coil is ready. These are so tiny and so cute. For all the shapes I have used 1/4 strips only. So we need total 9 black coins, 9 white coins, and for queen 1 pink coin. And this striker is made using half strip of yellow color 2 mm. So this is done. Now I have already prepared this carom board base on peach color cardstock. This measures 7.5 by 7.5 centimeters, and I have drawn some patterns like carom board using my black gel pen and red color sketch pen. The circle diameter of the center is 2.6 centimeters. Then I am going to arrange all my coins one by one inside the circle. And also sticking my yellow striker. So cute carom is ready, and here I have created this border frame which is having 0.5 centimeter width, and I have just cut my pattern paper, and on back side I have added strips of mount board to give little dimension. You can also use double-sided foam tape to add the dimension. So I have just stuck it on my base and our carom board is ready. It's looking super cute. I'm just willing to play it right now. So here I'm taking back my lid and I have decorated it with some border design, and on top of the lid I'm going to stick this carom board. So this is done. Now I am adding one more white color border design on the top just for the finishing look. So our lid is completed. Now I'm starting with the cup. For this I'm taking 10 strips of 5 mm yellow color and making one tight coil. I'm making one small quilled trophy cup. So the tight coil is ready. I have just secured it using glue, and now I am just opening it using my quilling mold little bit, and then just shape it using your fingers. Add glue inside this, spread it using brush and allow it to dry. Then here I have created this cone which is made using 3 strips of yellow color 3 mm. I have just put my pencil inside this to create the small cone. And these two tight coils are made using 1/4 strip of yellow color 3 mm, and this tight coil is made using half strip of yellow color 3 mm, and this tight coil is made using 5 strips of black color 5 mm. So I'm going to stick all the parts together to make cup. The cup is ready. Now to create handle, I am taking 4 1/4 strip of 3 mm yellow color, gather it all together, fold it from center and just twist it using pointed tweezer, just like we create quilling scrolls. Now open it and the bottom part of the scroll just secure using glue, and then twist it on opposite direction like S shape, and you have to roll the bottom part as well as a coil. So in the same way I have created one more handle. Now I am going to stick both the handles with the cup. And the cute cup is ready. Now I have added one more tight coil in the bottom using 6 strips of 10 mm black color and written here my superhero using white gel pen. Also added some stars. So now I'm going to stick the cup with the base. Before that I am adding this beautiful white color paper doily in the center just to decorate it, and then I will add the quilt cup on top of this. Now I am just closing my explosion box like this, and the cute explosion box is ready. You can add photographs, you can put any gift inside this. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.